the jungle breeze, ancient crown in the canopy leaves. Drums in the distance, thunder reply. The mountain bows when he opens his eyes. He guards the stones, the fire, the trees. The island hums with his memories. No chains, no walls, no reason to roam. The mighty one standing alone. Beat of the drum, feel it strong. Jungle heart where you belong. They took the king from his throne of green. Now the city shakes when he's seen. Steel, the sky turned gray. Flash bulbs blind where the crowd will pay. He looks above at towers of stone, a cage of men, a world not his own. The heartbeat grows, the anger climbs. Drums become sirens, bells become chimes. He breaks the chains, the walls come down. The jungle king takes back his crown. Rain. He bleeds for a world that can't feel his pain. Eyes on the girl, the city below. He climbs for the last sunset's glow. He roars once more, then the silence stays. The heart of the giant